Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools, and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Today, just a little bit of an update, quick little video here, what's going on in the truck. So we just got our shipment in. In Wisconsin here, we do a promo where we give some jackets away in the fall of the year, and we just got them in. I got them loaded up. We'll take a quick peek. So I got 4 cases of them here. And I'll have a video I'll show you in just a little bit. I got Shy Jamie modeling one of them so you can kind of see all the way around. Really cool fabric this time, and I love the design. It's awesome. So we'll go over that. Also, a couple tool things. So first thing we're going to start off with is the new soldering iron. And I think a few of you might have seen that on some other videos, but let's really look into this thing. This is a really, really neat tool. So let's take a look. So first one I want to take a look at is the YAKS 42 soldering iron. And I have one opened up here. This is what it looks like out of the box. So you get the soldering iron itself. There's some solder in there. There's some tips underneath here as well, 4 of them there. And then this here. Let's talk about how this all plays together and works out. Get a good look at the tips here. So there's one for plastic welding. There's a couple for soldering, for cutting, and then for heating. So if you had like some shrink tubing, stuff like that. So I'm going to take the soldering iron out of here. The cap actually shuts this unit off. So it's one-handed. The old ones had a lever on one side to turn the gas on, a lever on the other side to ignite it. This one has one lever, up one, turns the gas on, forward, ignites it. You have your heat down below so you can adjust it. A lot bigger for the gas gauge compared to the other one. And when you do put the cap back on, it actually shuts it back off, which is a nice safety feature. So the couple things I thought were really cool about this, you have this on, it's ignited, you're soldering whatever it is, and you need to move something around. You don't have to find a spot to put this because it's got a magnet on there. So if you buy your toolbox, you buy the hoist, whatever, you can stick this on there, and the tip's not going to be heating something up that you don't want heated up because of that magnet, which is super, super neat. The other thing is underneath here, when I showed you before, there's another one of these. We'll take it out. And this one is set up as well to blow heat out of there. So if you're soldering and then you want to do shrink tubing, you can easily turn this, and there's some white marks on there to help you line it up. But you can turn it that far, it pops off, set it down, put this one on, that easy, shrink that tubing, take it back off, put your soldering one back on. You don't have to wait for it to cool down each time to switch the tips on it. It's that fast and that easy when you have the 2 of them set up for that. And they will stand straight up when you set them down on a flat surface. The YAKS 42 gas soldering iron. So let's go ahead and talk about the promo that I have going on. So I have the jackets in here, and they are boxed up. Oh, here it shows on there. Like there's 2 small, 1 large, 7 extra large, 3 triple extra large. Each box has its own setup of what's in there. This one's a medium in here. And the way that I run this promo is you buy certain things off the truck, and I throw the jacket in for free. We're all independently owned. We can set up our promos however we want to do it. I know some guys have it, buy a couple ratchets, you get jacket for free, or whatever they want to do. But in my case, I have it set at a dollar amount. Spend X dollar amount on the truck, and we throw the jacket in. I think it's kind of cool when I go around town and I see, 4 or 5 guys a day just in my travels wearing the jackets. I think that's pretty cool, and I don't think the competition likes it, so that's always fun too. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what this jacket looks like all the way around. I really, really like the design of it this year. I think it's really cool. All right, guys, so we got Shy Jamie is modeling the jackets we're giving away. You can see they're embroidered on there. I love that back on there with the gray on the back. Okay, turn a little bit more on the pocket here. That's kind of like you can put a cell phone in there or some pens. There's a hood on it. So on the inside we have a pocket, and you can see it fits a cell phone in there. And then also a little, I don't know if you put a pen or maybe one of the magnetic screwdrivers in there. So That is the jacket. I know this one isn't tool related whatsoever, but we were calling the cats out today, I'll tell you what. I got a little fun footage. We were at a body shop today, and you might have seen in one of my other videos, Chloe, who's at the body shop, she comes on the truck and she gets a treat with Tracker every week when we show up. But this time we had, I don't know, 15 cats, 20 cats. I don't know. They were like coming from underneath the truck, man. It was weird. Check this out. How many we got out here?
I don't know if there's more.
They're coming from under the truck.
That one over there has 24 toes.
Come on, Poops. Guys, I got one more kind of cool tool for you to check out. There's two different types. There's the MTTL B720 and the MTTL 720. These are back probe pins. If you do some electrical diagnostic stuff, these are kind of neat to have around. So in each kit, you're getting 20 back probes. So it's a little alligator clip. The one set, this is the MTTLB. If you can see the pins bent, straight, bent. So you get that set up. There are 4 red, blue, black, yellow, and green. So there's 4 sets of 5 like that. They run just a hair over 35 bucks, list price as of today, US, for them. And then the other ones, the MTTL 720s, you get the same 5 colors, 4 per pack, but they are all straight on there. So your choice. These ones run just a hair over $30. I think they're $30.25 for these. Handy to have when you need them little pins to get in there. You need something sharp. These things are really sharp to get in the probe where you need to get them. So let's see if we can get this thing to focus a little bit. MTTL 720 for the straight ones. MTTLB 720 for the ones that have the angles on them. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching my video tonight, spending some time with me. Leave the comments down below what you thought about the couple products that we had there. The cats, the dogs, all that good stuff. Anything that you want to see, leave it down below. Hit the like so that way YouTube keeps pushing our videos out there. We can grow the community. And if you haven't already, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe if you like this sort of content. And on that note, I'm out of here, and you guys have a good night.